Learn how to solve two case set questions like this using this easy method. Questions like this normally comes out in JAMB, WAEC, and NECO. So we'll be reading out the question. 50 students were asked what they did last night. 16 said they read a book. 41 said they watched television. If 7 said they did neither, how many did they put? So this question we're solving it using a formula. So we'll list out our parameters, which is universal set 50. Number of universal set is 50. 16 said that they read book. You can see number of students that read book, which is B, 16. Then 41 watch television. That's the number of W is 41. So 7 said they did neither, which is number of B union W prime equal 7. We are asked to find number of B intersection W. That is what we're asked to find. Since it's in how many, we'll be using the formula, which is number of the universal sets, number of B plus number of W minus number of B intersection W plus number of B union W prime. So our universal is 50. Number of B is 16 plus number of W is 41 minus number of intersections, since is unknown, use X plus the union 7. So 50 will be equal to 16 plus 41 plus 11 plus 7. It should be 64 minus X. So 50 minus 64 equal minus X. This will be minus 14 equal minus X. Minus cancel minus, our X is equals to 14. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. I beg, make now subscribe to this channel so that I can encourage me create more videos like this. Thank you.